pagod na ako. Pagod na akong umasa na pipili kayo ng tama. Charot. Na, I was really like, alam mo yung expectation na he's supposed to win, and yun, alam mo, nakahanda na yung ube, nakahanda na yung palabok. Very welcome mo si Ralph and Rawi into the PBB pantheon. But anyway, Brecca is, I guess, pero anyway, wala naman tayong etos yan. Let's talk about purple. In art, purple is a very regal color. However, purple is also that wherever you add purple, it actually adds depth to that artwork or to that space in your work of art, because it really has that effect of concaving or putting depth into your artwork. Anyway, also on this drawing is Mr. Gerald Anderson based character, the god of dimensions. Sam Franca's based character, one of the gods of the vision. Kung naglalaro ka ng MLBB, alam mo kung ano ang vision or Wild Rift. And also TJ Marquez. This is supposed to be Dennis Trillo, but naging kamukha ni TJ Marquez, so I don't know. I'm yet to tell you what he is a god of, but he's very beautiful guy. Bye bye.